Hello everyone. Hello Sas. Uh, it's been 2 months since I've been learning Forex. Uh, it's very easy to find information to learn from the internet, and the problem is too much information. Uh, I was very confused about market structure. I can't understand the movement of price. Uh, when I'm searching about market structure on YouTube, I found Forex Beginner Academy by Sas Ellie. He makes the lesson step by step very clear from the basics. For example, how to use Fibonacci, EMAs, how to draw support resistance the right way, how to read the chart. Um, so it's become easy to understand. Um, Especially he keep the cost on freeze. In student private group, he always support student. He always reply on student chat market. It's very helpful. It help us learning faster. Uh, he a good mentor. I'm very respect. Uh, Thank you, Sas.